Hello, welcome to So Dramatic, where we're bringing fantastic ideas to life. Today, we're going to look at a skirt repair with a patch. This skirt has a tear in it, probably just made from being old and pulling away from the existing seam line. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put these square patches in here, just like that, and sew them up on the sewing machine. I also want to add some embroidery through here, something pretty for my friend to kind of go with the patched places that she already has on the skirt. Okay, we'll see you soon. I placed a small cutting mat under the torn section so I won't pin the skirt together and have a sad situation. Now I'm ready to sew. I'm using a thread that goes nicely with the skirt fabric and that will contrast the variegated top fabric, the fabric thread that I have. One of the things that I like to do is sometimes use a top edge quilting thread just for fun and decoration, but you can't use it in the bottom bobbin very effectively because it just bunches up, so you need a proper thread to anchor it, and it looks nice in contrast too. The fabric I'm using is a mid-weight linen and doesn't really need interfacing. However, I would say to use it if it's available. Sewing the patches on went pretty quickly. I am very happy with the way that it turned out. All right, so the initial stitching is complete. One of the squares has kind of a wonky edge. You know what? I think you should love it. I trimmed it off a bit so it looks all right, and now we'll get to add the embroidery. Stay tuned. Here we are back again, and I'm ready to start doing the embroidery. So I'm going to use the spring hoop, and I have a number of colors right here to choose from, so I'm gonna pick some colors out right now. I've selected some embroidery colors for the flowers and the leaves, and I also happen to know that she likes these kinds of colors as well. So she's told me she has a bit of a pink problem, but I really like this raspberry color, but I think it's maybe not the right moment for that. So although it would go nicely with this, I think what I'm gonna do is have that pink with this one as a backup if I need an accent or something. Okay, and I think that's gonna go better. And I'm really favoring this. Yes, I love variegates. Okay, so I think that that's what I've got going on for this patch, and I'll see you in a moment. I have the base pattern done here, so I'm going to use some lazy daisy stitches and stem stitches for the main line here, and some fly stitches over here. Maybe some long, short, and stem stitches in the grass. I might also try some satin stitching with the leaves. Okay, it should be really, really pretty, and I can't wait. Yay, it's finished. Look at that. It looks so, so good. I'm so happy with it. The colors are great and they go really well with that other patch right there. Have a look. I can hardly wait until she sees this. I hope you've enjoyed watching this piece come together as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.